Hello friends, in this video I will talk about SUMIF function in Excel. So firstly, what is SUMIF function? The SUMIF function in Excel adds up the values in a range that meet a single specified condition. The syntax for the same is SUMIF. Inside this we need to give the range first, then we need to write the criteria and then the sum range. Out of these three parameters, the last parameter, that is sum range, is optional. The range will be the cells we want to apply the criteria. Criteria will be any particular condition. On the basis of that, we want to get the sum. And if we want to get the sum from some other column, in that case, we need to provide the sum range. So friends, to understand this, let's take one example. So here we are having the singers data set. In this, we are having the song number, last names of the singer, date, and the duration, that is in minutes. So the problem which we need to address is what is the total duration of songs performed by Eminem. So in this problem, we can see that we want to get the total duration on the basis of the last name of the singer. That means we need to see the last name of the singer, and that way we will get the duration. So this particular problem can be solved by the SUMIF function. So here we are writing the equal sign, and then using the SUMIF function, as you can see, it is asking you to provide the range. So the range of the criteria you need to provide. So the criteria is V2 colon B952, comma, then the criteria is we are looking for, in this range we are looking for Eminem, right? So you need to write it correctly. After the comma, now sum range we need to provide as we want to get the sum of the duration or sum of the this minutes. So this is lying in the column number D. So it is D2 colon D952. Closing the bracket, pressing the enter, we are getting total 413 minutes. That means total 403 minutes is the total duration of the songs performed by Eminem. Now, let's take one more example. So here we are having a data set in which you can see we are having the names of the salesperson, the state, and the sales done by them. So we need to address the first question here, which is calculate the total sales done by Jim. So again, you can see the total sales we need to calculate, and this should be done by Jim. So it is based on one condition. So we are using SUMIF function. Inside the brackets, you need to give the range for your criteria. So my criteria is the name of the salesperson. So that way you can give the range. In the double quote, I am writing the name of the salesperson. After this, I need to provide the range of the cells which I want to sum. So this is this particular cell, this particular column range. You can close the bracket, press enter. So that way you can see we are getting the answer as 200. So that means 200 is the amount of the sales which is done by the Jim. Now for the next question, we can see here we need to give the answer of total sales for state CA. So here the total sales for state CA, which is again based on one condition. So we are using the SUMIF function inside this. Now the criteria is coming from the state. So you need to select the state column as a range, and then you can select the CA. So this time you can see rather than typing the name of the state, we have selected the state wherever it is coming in the state column. After this, putting a comma, you need to select the range of the sales, and then you can close the bracket, press enter. So we can see it is total 375. So the total sales is 375 for the state C. So friends, this way SUMIF function can help you to solve your problem. If you want to get the sum on the basis of any specific condition, you can use this function. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for my next videos. Thank you.